Hello, hello, hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican here again. I'm going to harvest my 8x4 raised bed. That's my biggest bed of Stokes Purple sweet potatoes. I have about 21 vines in here and a few Japanese. But here it is, going up on the trellis. Ooh, and a lot of white flies. So here it is. I'm going to cut away all this jungle. And then I'm going to come back. It's going to be a long video. I may have to make it into 2 videos. If not, I hope you enjoy it. Get a cup of coffee or whatever you like to sip and enjoy the show. Okay, starting on the first root of the Stokes sweet potato in the 4x8 bed. Here is where we go. We're starting here. Cleared off the jungle. And we're starting here with this first root. And see what we have. We're gonna have some major excitement or some major disappointment. We're gonna have some stuff here. It's gonna be good. It's going to be good. I'm climbing up in this bed. Yep. Okay. Now, you know, Stokes are very long potatoes, right? So here we go. All right, this one has... Let's see if I can do this one without breaking it. Okay. Root number 1 of Stokes 2023. Not bad. Average and a big one. I'm glad it's not bigger than this. So that's root number 1. All right. Let's go on to root number 2. So many of them are popping out of the ground. I have to be careful that I do not, I'm up in the bed, I have to be careful that I do not step on them. Okay, so this is root number 2. Let's see what we got. A little root with a few long ones. Not bad, still edible. I gave them a lot of space. Root number 3. Two lovely ones. Yep. Nice. Do I have anything else here? All right. That's all. Go on over. See if I have any runners. Nope. This is another root up here. All right. I'm not gonna count the roots anymore. Too much to count. I'm going to lose count. Root number 4. Although I said I wasn't going to count roots anymore. But what the heck? This is 4th root. 1, 2, 3, 4 roots. Yep. Here it is. Got one off that one. So we have 3 on this one. Also, they all seem to be, they all seem to be averaging 3 each root. Well, except for the first one. Wow, dirt got in my mouth. So we're going on to root number 5. This looks like a big one. It's like a big one. Looks like we have some, what you call it, scabs going on here. Scabby. Very scabby right there. Scabby, scabby, scabby. But anyway, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this one. Scabby. But that doesn't stop them from being edible, you know. It's just that they don't look good. As a matter of fact, another one. Nice big size one on it. So there you go. That's that for that so far. Okay, we're going on to another root.